Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and this is a skinny one. Yeah, skinny one.
Skid wax one.
Skacks. So you can see we've got a standard size sonotube going in here. We're just really seeing how loose this is to start with and whether we can get a good grip. So it looked really dry to start with.
It's got a kind of keratin layer that's adhering it to the canal wall here, though, and there you can see it just peeling away.
You can see it just to the side of the suction tube that you can just see as I'm trying to wiggle it, is that bit that's just kind of like holding on. A lot of hair in there as well. I think it's hair.
Yeah.
Could possibly be some fibres of a cotton bud in there as well.
Yeah, that does happen. Yeah, quite a bit. It's difficult to tell because it doesn't look like hair to me. I think you might be right. I think there is fibres of a cotton bud or a Q-tip, I think. Is it going to come away? There's a gap.
Yeah. Could go over the jobs no, really, with this one, because there's a little gap above it.
Yeah.
But I'm just really trying to move it forwards. Just bringing it forwards. Look how much hair is there.
It is difficult with the hair. This is one of those things that comes up a lot. Say, why do you trim hair? Is there any time you do trim hair? We don't tend to trim the hair. It's just, I don't know why we do. It's just not really needed. And most of the time we get the wax out without trimming the hair. So what's the point in trimming the hair? It would make it maybe a little bit easier if we trim the hair off that front end. Oh, there's something going on here.
It's just added discomfort, really, with especially the ones that are still attached. Because
yeah,
again, we just say like, why don't you pluck the hair? Like, and it's uncomfortable for some people. Like some people can tolerate it, but I've pulled a wad of hair, plucked a wad of hair. I've accidentally done that loads of times, and I've been like, oh, sorry.
Because sometimes it does look like it's loose in there, so you'll grip it with like a force out and you'll pull it, and it's not until you get it almost out of the ear and you go doink, and it was like, oh right, that was still attached.
Oh, look how dry that is.
That is a beastie, isn't it? It's almost, there we go.
There we go, just popped out then. Quite a big piece, actually. I was not expecting that one.
Oh, a little tiny little retraction pocket there to the bottom, well, viewers bottom left, our bottom right. A tiny little retraction pocket. That could have been a result of a pinhole perforation maybe at some point.
Yeah.
Just healed it back up. Because it's unusual for that to have a little bit more of that, a little bit more movement there, unless there's been some kind of trauma to that particular part of the eardrum, isn't it? But that might be from infection, pinhole perforation, something like that. Pinhole perforation just means tiny perforation. They're quite common with middle ear infections and stuff.
Yeah, they generally tend to heal themselves over. These, again, we've done a middle ear effusion one recently, but this particular patient is also struggling with that. Now you can kind of see the position of where the light reflex was. You could see that there was a retraction, that little retraction pocket, but even if that retraction pocket wasn't there, we still would have been able to see that eardrum was retracted. Now, we perform what we call tympanometry here, which is it's a test for us to
check compliance of the eardrum.
Yeah, and the middle ear space as well. So this would have confirmed the middle ear effusion. God, I can't get my words out, especially all these like sciencey words.
Middle ear effusion is really more common in these kind of winter months as seasons change. We do see a lot more of it around this time of year as well, where people tend to have a little bit more congestion. There's a lot of colds. COVID is doing the rounds again here in this part of Wales. So yeah, you do see a lot of it at the moment. We've had a few came in over the last couple of days with middle ear effusion because it's same signs and symptoms as having wax. So they're very, very similar symptoms on both. Well, thank you very much for watching the video again, guys. Don't forget we are still putting more videos out there, so make sure you definitely hit that bell icon if you're watching this on YouTube. You get notified every single time we post a new video. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.